So good morning, guys. Well, actually, good afternoon. It's almost 1 o'clock. So anyways, Samantha's getting ready to move the pack and play from the living room into the dining room, where we don't use the dining room. So anyways, here's where it was. See? Here. And where it's going is in this room. Yeah. So we're going to put it right here against the wall. And Mommy never uses her treadmill anymore. We should probably sell that. Samantha, why don't you use your treadmill anymore?
Because I don't have time.
You can never have time if you never make time.
I run at lunch, so why do I need to run when I go home?
I don't know. Hey, Ben. We're going to move your pack and play today. What do you think? Well, I'm not. Mommy is, because she's the one that had the bright idea to do it, so.
Excuse me?
Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. It's moving. It's moving.
On my way.
Oh.
Oh, there we go. I hope I hurt you.
Yes, it kind of did hurt a little bit. Whoa!
What did you do?
Don't break the walls.
Damn.
You're going to break the walls. And there's this new place. Now Ben can sleep in quiet and peacefulness. Ben! Come here, Benjamin. What's up, little baby? What's up, little boy? Come on. Come on, Ben. Ben coming to eat brains. He's like, oh, here he is. What's up, little buddy? Come on, little baby. What are you doing? He done got my wiring here all messed up. Hey, come here, Ben. Hey. Hey, who are these little hellions out here? You guys quit hitting that doorbell. I'm tired of you kids coming around here causing all the trouble. You kids are crazy.
Anyway.
Hey, quit ringing that doorbell. Get out of here, you kids. You kids are nothing but trouble. Leave. Here's the doggy.
Check the dates, but I think they're good.
Say hello, Joan. Joan, say hello. You little kids, get out of there. It's not funny. Quit ringing the doorbell. Knock it off. Whoa.
I've got some one at home that she can see. Oh, Gavin's got to be. Yeah. Stop.
Get out of here. Well, guys, what? They're ringing the doorbell, trying to get my attention. This is gonna be it for today. Grandma and Grandpa is watching Ben tonight, so me and Mommy can have a rest. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. All right. So one more quick thing before I go. I think some of my in-laws are a little strange.
You can't see very good.
That is crazy.
That's cool.
I've never seen those before. What are they supposed to be? Just like
flashy. You could get teeth. Go on your teeth and flash like that.
Yeah, some bling bling, a grill for your teeth. Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Hey, Bug, look at me.
That is cool, isn't it?
Look at
Put them on, look at me.
That is cool. They're heavier than all get up though.
That is awesome.
Give me mine.
What's yours on?
That ain't mine.
Oh, yours is green or yours red? I don't think he likes the green.
I'm gonna go on.
You look cool, Bob. Look at that. That is pretty cool.
He's like he's posing there.
Yeah.